Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 9th of August, 2023. Here to talk about Litecoin today because the halving event is over. I think the halving for Litecoin occurred on August the 2nd. Here it is the 9th. So 7 days later. And you guys can tell, even from my price prediction, the market completely crashed in Litecoin. Now, you can see that price did crash, but the market is hovering right here at this area of support that I talked about on our video for Litecoin on August the 2nd. Now, given that that's the case, we're not necessarily clear of looking for price in Litecoin to continue to crash or go lower. This is what we wanted to see. If we're still going to be bullish in the market in Litecoin, we have to continue to see buyers come in and hold price right now where it is, right there around $84, $83. And that has been the case over the last, 6-7 days. So even though price did go lower, even though price currently is going against my price prediction, I can still see that there's a minimal chance that this price in Litecoin is going to lift. These are the reasons. For one, the market price for Litecoin is holding support right here. Okay, right here at the low of our price prediction. That's one thing. Then the second thing is I zoom out the chart is you guys can tell that Litecoin is still trending on our trend line. Now, once those two things break, then we'll have to move the market to the downside and expect price and Litecoin to go lower. So you can actually tell, seeing how price is holding $82.50, $82, that this is where buyers currently hold price. This is where buyers are currently stepping into the market in Litecoin. Okay, I think you all can see that. So we have two areas that's keeping the price in Litecoin up. That's it. Just these two lines. This is where the buyers currently reside in. And they will have to continue to do that in order for our price prediction to even play out right. So that's what I'm on the lookout for, is for the buyers to continue to show us that they're mixed in, that they're still buying, that they're still supporting price around $80. Let's look at Litecoin on the 5-day chart. Okay, so here's the last 5 days of trading for Litecoin. You guys can see that the price bar spread is a lot smaller. But it also tells us that the weakness that occurred on the prior 5 days really didn't have an impact on really crashing the price. This is definitely where the buyers stepped into the market for Litecoin, which is, like I said earlier, is a great thing. So I'm not going to change my price prediction, even though I don't like how quick the market in Litecoin fell down to our support area. So this simply tells me again that the market's going to be longer for us to even see any idea of a profit. Okay, so the 5-day chart looks pretty decent for Litecoin. Here it is on the 3-day chart. I think you guys can see a little bit better that the weakness that came in on this 3 days that this arrow's pointing up to, the next 3 days we should not have seen a price bar like that. So this tells me that the sellers didn't impact Litecoin as much as they wanted to. Okay, so yeah, I'm still looking for the price to go higher. It's just going to take the market a lot longer for us to really see any profit out of this prediction. Here it is on the 2-day chart as well. Okay, so I'm pretty much through. The halving event is over for Litecoin, and I think many people were expecting that halving event to cause price to go higher, and it did the opposite. But we're not out the woods yet to not see price go up in Litecoin. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave this here, this price prediction on the chart. I'm not going to change it up. I'm still looking for the market to go higher. Now, I will tell you, as we expect price to continue to lift from where it is now, if we don't see the buyers take out $88 first, and then this area here at $92.50, then we definitely need to play the market move to the downside. So we may need to cut the price prediction around 88 to 92 if the buyers don't show up there, and then begin to look for prices in Litecoin to go lower. All right, so that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about the halving event. Do you think it was a positive thing? Because looking at it from the chart perspective, it wasn't. If it occurred on August 2nd, price completely fell off. But in other situations, it may be a good thing. Tell me about it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.